What's up, guys, and welcome back. It's been a few minutes, but that's all right. Two things today. I got a quick release for the RX7. Second thing, my new Cletus and Squirrel restoration freaking work shirt came in. 10 out of 10. So gotta take the steering wheel off. But I wanted to show you this. Might give you an idea of the steering wheel. Didn't really give it away of the theme that I'm kind of going with, but check her out. So freaking excited. I've never put a quick release on. The Isuzu has one on there, but Nick was ever so generous and did that. So just gonna wing it. So let's put her on. All right. I got my little fancy wrenchy wrench that came with the steering wheel. The steering wheel and the quick release are both from Energy. We got them off, I believe the steering wheel off of eBay as well, but just off eBay. Just a, I don't know, fun fact. There are a few things that we have done to the RX7 that I just haven't really posted about just yet. Few things have just kind of been a setback, and it's just one of those things that I just didn't want to look at it for a minute because it was just gross. Someone had put a comment in the YouTubes there. Thank you. I did purchase, it's just a cheap microphone, so hopefully you can hear better and not hear all this. God dang, I don't want to listen to that. But hopefully, with me looking straight, you can still hear me. That's the plan. All right. So, 3 more bolts to go. Let's see. So, as I was saying, we were working on the wiring harness. And we cut a bunch of the stuff that obviously was not needed for the LS swap. Most of it was for for instance, like the coils or the wiring harness for the rotary engines. We cut all that, cleaned it up. I started re-wrapping, taping, this and that. And then one of the issues that came about, which I think we figured out what it was that the headlights, they would not turn off for the life of us. Don't know why, but that was one of the issues that kind of stumped us. If anybody has any suggestions, I mean, I'm pretty sure it is a relay, and we kind of have that part figured out. I don't remember which one it was, but definitely was what it's leaning towards. But I almost got her. Beautiful. Alrighty. So what we ended up doing when we put on this wheel adapter, there wasn't a whole lot of instructions necessarily for it. Nick did his research on it. So what we ended up doing is this plastic piece cover for, oh goodness, I forgot what it's even called. This plastic piece. It has this little lip out. We ended up grinding it down so it's flush. Then this fit in there just nice. I think we even had to like hollow it out just a little bit. A little bit. So that is like that. Do I have to take this off? Obviously. All right. There we go. Ooh, dude, I'm so excited for that. Does this matter? This goes. Ooh, well, this one plugs into this. Nice. This one plugs into this one. Oh, also nice. All right. Put those in there. Make sure they are not pinched. Okay, do that lines up nicely. No. This kit came with a bunch of stuff. Am I gonna need all of it? Alright, I'm gonna let you hang. I don't know. Oh boy. Let's see. This, well, these look important, right? Are they the same size? No. Okay. Let me think. Ooh. There we go. Go back there. Alright. There's no lines on the back of this. There's nothing on there. There's a dot right there. Un momento. Okay, so I just watched a quick video. I'm not really sure what these pieces are for because they did not use these pieces. And I made sure it was an energy like video for the installation and everything too. I'm gonna keep them though. I'm just gonna put them back in the box. It also came with this. I'm assuming it's some type of spacer type deal. But they also didn't use that. So this part is right. So now we just gotta put that back on like I was. Alright, we got those bolts. Put these back. Put that back around. Make sure it's not pinched. Oops, I'll touch right here. There we go. Worst case scenario, if eventually, if I need them for something, if it is important, take it back off. Just want to tighten this one just a little bit. So I don't want those wires to get pinched or anything. This one up here too. Shoot. One more. Alrighty. Let's say when you tighten it, you want to tighten it in the star pattern. So pretty much, oops, let me tighten up your tires. Do, 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 do. Got my setup. I did. How did I do that? All right. One more time around just to make sure. I think I got it now. Yep. Oh. Okay. So now for this bad boy. All right. I'm going to have to go like this. Hold that. This in. Like so. Okay. Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Start one. Okay, that's actually looking pretty good. Okay. I start the wrong bolts. Did. I need to turn it. No. Next one. If I can just see a little bit better. Okay. Is that it? Try to put one in the bottom. Got it. All right. So this quick release is like adapted to for like two different like bolt patterns, and then just trying to get this horn in here, and then this this little extra piece. I don't know if you can really see it. This piece. So making sure it all lines up. That's hard with one hand, but I got it. So Finish putting the rest of these on. Okay. All right, tighten these. Okay. Tight. Good. Jeez. Good. Good. I'm good. Shoo! Would ya? Look at that. Let me just take this off to give it the real. They're cute. The moment of truth. Should I take the microphone off and put it like right here? You know what? Yes. I can really get the ding. Was able to get that. Maybe I'll do it again. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna edit that, and then if it's too loud, edit it out. Shoo! Shoo! Check her out. Oh, ew, buddy. Oh, I don't know if I can move my hand. I can't. Yes, I can. Ugh. Nope. That is definitely a two-handed kind of dude. You know, maybe one more time. Oh, shit. I better stop. So that is it for this video. I know I haven't posted a lot lately. I do have a few videos for in the future that I need to do. I need to wrap my manifolds. I have the stuff for that. Haven't just been really just putting it off. Maybe because it's been super cold in Michigan. I'm gonna go with that one. But I just need to do it. I need to do it. I need to get it over with. So that is the plan for my next video, hopefully this weekend. Today is Tuesday. I'm going to do my best to finish this video because I want to definitely get better at putting stuff out there. Just, it's kind of hard sometimes. So, if you do like what you see, do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next one.